In this video, I'll guide you through how to export invoices in Zoho Books. Whether you're backing up your records, sharing invoices with your accountant, or sending files to a client, exporting them correctly will save you a lot of time and hassle. We'll move step by step through the Zoho Books interface so you can follow along on your own screen. First, open your web browser and go to books.zoho.com. This is the dedicated URL for Zoho Books, so make sure you're not on another Zoho product by mistake. If you aren't already signed in, log in with your usual account credentials. Once you're in, you should land on your Zoho Books dashboard where you can see an overview of your company's finances. Next, we're going to navigate to the section where all your invoices live. Look toward the left-hand side of the screen for the main navigation menu. Today, I'll show you how to access your invoices by starting with the Sales section. Click on Sales. This is where Zoho groups everything related to selling, including estimates, recurring invoices, and of course your standard invoices. After you click Sales, you'll see a list of options appear below it or in the main area depending on your layout. Find and click on Invoices. This will bring you to the main Invoices page where you can see all the invoices you've created. You should see columns like invoice number, customer name, date, and status, such as paid, unpaid, or overdue. Now, to export invoices, you first need to select the ones you want. On the left side of each invoice row, you'll see a small checkbox. I'm going to walk you through how to choose the right invoices here. If you only want to export one invoice, simply click the checkbox next to that specific invoice. If you want to export multiple invoices at once, click the checkboxes for each invoice you want to include. Some accounts may also have a checkbox at the very top of the list that allows you to select all visible invoices at once, which can be helpful for a bulk export. Once you've selected your invoice or invoices, look for a download option, usually appearing above the list or in a toolbar that shows up after you make a selection. Click Download. This tells Zoho Books that you're ready to export the selected documents. After you click Download, you'll be given a choice of formats. I'll show you the easiest way to decide what to use. Zoho Books lets you export the invoices either as individual PDF files or bundled together in a zip file. If you're exporting just one invoice, PDF is usually the simplest option. Your browser will download a single PDF that you can open, print, or email right away. If you're exporting multiple invoices, choosing zip is often more convenient. Zoho Books will compress all the selected invoices into a single zip folder. After the download finishes, you can open that folder on your computer and you'll see each invoice as a separate PDF file inside. This is ideal if you need to archive them or share a batch of invoices at once. And that's it. You've now seen how to export invoices from Zoho Books, from signing in to selecting the right invoices to downloading them as either PDFs or a zip file. You can repeat this process anytime you need a local copy of your records or need to share them outside of Zoho.